Tired of leads slipping through the cracks? Let's bridge the gap between social engagement and your real estate CRM using the power of Manychat and Kvcore. First, you'll need both a Manychat account and an active Kvcore account. If you don't have them already, sign up for each. I will provide links in the description. Once you're logged into Manychat, navigate to the Settings section, typically found on the left-hand side menu. Look for a gear icon, click on it. Inside Settings, find the Integrations tab. This is where we'll connect Manychat to other platforms. Click on the Integrations tab. Kvcore doesn't offer a direct integration with Manychat, so we will use Zapier as the bridge. Find the Zapier integration option and ensure it's connected. If not, click to connect it and follow the on-screen authorization steps. Head over to Zapier and create a new Zap. Set Manychat as the trigger app. Common triggers include new subscriber or tag added to user. Next, select Kvcore as the action app. Choose an action, like create contact or update contact. Now, meticulously map the fields from Manychat to the corresponding fields in Kvcore. This is critical for accurate data transfer. Ensure fields like name, email, and phone number are correctly mapped. To ensure quality, add a filter in Zapier. For instance, only send contacts to Kvcore if they have a specific tag in Manychat, signifying their interest as a lead. Finally, test Your Zap. Send a test lead through Manychat and confirm that the information correctly appears in your Kvcore account. With this integration, you'll automatically capture and nurture leads directly from Facebook Messenger, streamlining your sales process.